Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is 4th of July. We're gonna be doing a 4th of July look. Yes, it's gonna be red, white, and fabulous blue. My LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. I already went ahead and primed my face with the Too Faced Hangover RX. Dumped some of that on the back of my hand. My color is fair. Wet is the Beauty Blender. Alright, so I went ahead and did that off camera because it's boring. Nobody wants to see all that. I'm drinking some tea. Side note, does anyone know any tea that like tastes like something? Not hot water, just has a flavor to it, you know what I'm saying? Let's start with NYX Professional Makeup's Pigment Primer. So I had to bring the mirror over here right quick. I'm gonna put some on the bottom too because today's look is gonna be a little outrageous. Gem, she's so outrageous. If you don't know Gem, we cannot be friends. And do you like my background? It's red, white, and blue. I'm so festive. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this Airspun powder. Let's put it on the nose too. It smells so good. Tea. I put lots of honey in my tea, or I'll put sugar in my tea, and that will give it that flavor. But other than that, we ain't going to Flavor Town because it tastes like hot water. What I just got in the mail, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which is like, oh my god, oh my god. The James Charles palette, which has my fingerprints all over it. Again, oh my god. Dang. I think we're gonna start with white. Gotta make sure the palette doesn't get stomped on. But let's take some concealer and put it on the eyelids. And then I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm going to pat it out. I lately have been just gravitating towards crazy looks. I don't know what happened to me. I mean, I got the palettes in the mail and I got brand new. Okay. Is the white. Uh-oh, the fallout just like dusted all the color off. Oh no. I'm so serious, this white better show up. This white should come with a freaking warning of lay some heavy like white down. I need to, no, I can't. I was about to get a white liner and put it on underneath. I mean, it's coming up. James Charles palette, you better not do me dirty because I will come for you and your low subscriber count. Look at this fallout, like, I just hope the rest of the colors come out better than this one because this white one, when I swatched it, I knew it was gonna be chalky. I was like, what is this? So, I'm not surprised. I pray that this red will be pigmented. Let's dig into it. Ooh, okay. Let's go ahead and apply it. Oh my god, oh my god. This mirror is so dusty. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Pleasantly surprised. Will be purchasing again. I look like a damn clown. This look will be interesting. to say the most. To say the least, to say the most. No. The white is coming through. All right. Oh my God. These colors just remind me of Suicide Squad, you know, Harley Quinn. Okay. 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 How many times can I say okay? Okay? Okay. At the same time, look at this color. Just look at it. It is, look, it's so sparkly and pretty, and I just feel like that would represent like a firecracker. So I feel like that's something I should dip into. The hell's that? I look so crazy because I don't have my eyebrows on. Or maybe because I have red, white, and blue all over my freaking eyes. I don't know. You choose. Choose your fighter. So, back into my fingerprint palette. This purple shimmery moment. And put it. Y'all are gonna think I lost my damn mind. Well, you know what? Maybe I did. So maybe I did lose my damn mind. Yes. Do my eyeliner. And this is Blackest Black, L'Oreal Infallible.
Oh, I did my eyeliner good.
It's time to do the wings. Again, this mirror is dusty as hell, so I could barely see. I don't know. Damn. I feel like I gotta line the bottom. Line it with blue and red. This has like a little bit of black liner in it, but we just gonna forgive that. My hair is so like, no. All right, so next I'm gonna do my eyebrows with this e.l.f. brown eyeliner. Yeah, it's brown eyeliner. This is gonna be a challenge because that mirror is so dusty. This side, this steak. No, maybe not. The tail. Is it raining? Yes, it's raining. On 4th of July, this is so sad. Like my tats, yeah. I think previously I had shown you the tattoos where I had the LMK here and it was smaller. I got it redone, bigger, and I got a lion done on this hand. Why? Because I wanted to. That's why. Everyone's like, are you a Leo? Is that why you got the lion on? No, because I wanted to. Okay? Because I like lions. Okay? I'm holding off on the lashes because I hate doing lashes. Like, I really... The darkest contour shade, you gotta snatch it up, you know. Boy, I wish I would go into work like this. A whole mess. What I do is just wipe off the powder that I had previously put on underneath my eyes to catch the fallout. Let's do lips, just to avoid doing my eyelashes. So I have this dusty ass NYX pencil in Natural SPL 810. It's like, it's almost gone. I should actually sharpen this, but Dusty Life. Yes, I overline. Fight me. I love this color. I just like, I don't know where to get it. I've gone to CVS. I've gone to Walgreens. They don't have it, bitch. So I just gotta suffer. I gotta suffer with not putting any lip liner on, or, I mean, no. How I've suffered is my bank account has suffered. Let me tell you. Here's the lipstick. The lipstick is Stay Matte by Rimmel. And the color is Rosetto Liquido. I guess so. I guess that's the color. Here it is. It's pretty. Luckily it's a shade that I like. Lately I've been buying a lot of lipsticks and they're just not the shade I like. They're not the nude I like. Just, I don't know. Send nudes, honestly, because these nudes that I'm trying out all the time, I mean, I'm not trying them out, I'm buying them. That's what's hurting my bank account. So I'm buying these lipsticks. They turn out to be the wrong shade of nude and they're just trash. And then what do? Okay, so now has come the damn time to put on these freaking lashes. I'm not excited. So what I did was, because you see how these lashes are so long, they are ratchet. Let me tell you, I wore them to work and it was a mess. Everyone was like, oh, you're gonna fly away with those lashes. No, let me tell you, don't wear these. Wear these if you're like, if you're feeling brave. Cut these. They were out to here like these, sitting right here in the package with the glue. And that's my little hack to putting them on when you're like in a rush. You don't have to wait for your first lash to get tacky. You just put them on both. At the same time, they'll both be tacky. So then you'll just be ready to throw them bitches on and get out of the house. All my late bitches, if you know what I mean. Okay. Oh no. I hate putting lashes on, I really do. And I'm only doing this for you guys. So appreciate. My mom's gonna hate this video. Let's drink some more tea, shall we? And put the pinky out. I don't want to contour. Look what I got my phone. I got this beautiful Snow White. She's living with that apple, knowing she's about to get poisoned. It's all good. On this side. So here we go. Oh God, this is why I hate doing this.
Oh my God, I hate lashes.
They're like so full of glue. It's not even funny. Alright guys, this is the final look. This is my 4th of July look, and it is a very avant-garde, crazy look. If you don't like it, click out of this motherfucking video, because I don't care. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you like this video, thumbs that up, like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes. To be part of the notification squad. Ooh, I'm such a YouTuber. Oh my God. Yeah, I got lots of lash glue on this eye right here. So we'll just see how the photos come out. Alright guys, here's the final result with my nappy ass hair.